Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to add HTML link in Wix website. So basically what you have to do is simply go to your dashboard and then you have to simply click on edit site. So you have to go to the Wix website editor, and basically what you have to do next is to simply wait until this loads up, and after that you'll have to simply click on add elements and then simply go to embed code, and then here you have to simply choose what do you want to embed. So I'm going to go with HTML, and as you can see here we can simply embed our code. So I have this code here, so I'm going to copy this and then simply paste it here and then click on update, and after that we'll have to simply wait. And as you can see here we have our HTML code. We can simply paste it wherever we want, and as you can see we can simply stretch this and we can play around. Of course this is not meant to be right here, so as you can see we can simply resize it, and basically that's how you can add HTML code to your Wix website. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.